We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making Mama's old-fashioned skillet corn, and here are our ingredients. Okay, in this skillet I have melted like a half a stick of butter, and now I'm adding my corn. I'm adding 2 cans of whole kernel corn and 1 can of cream style corn. I'm going to stir this up a little bit, and then I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients. Here I'm adding some black pepper, a little salt, and some sugar. And we're going to stir this up. And now we're going to taste. This is where you add more sugar if you prefer, or the salt or the black pepper. Here I'm adding a little more salt. And now we're going to give it a real good stir. Here I'm adding my flour. When adding your flour, make sure to spread your flour around because we don't want any lumps in our corn. Here I'm adding just a little more flour because I'm looking for a certain thickness. This is the thickness that I'm looking for. And now we're good to go. If you love corn nuggets, this reminds you of the filling inside a corn nugget. And it's so delicious. I'm going to let this simmer for 10 minutes, and time to time, go back and stir. And at the bottom, you're going to notice it's going to be like a crust at the bottom. Y'all, that is so delicious. So make sure you bring up that crust and combine it with the corn, okay? While I'm waiting on my corn to simmer, I am buttering down my biscuits. No, these are not homemade biscuits, y'all. No, but this is the way I remember my mother serving the corn, with biscuits and with fried chicken. Well, y'all, our corn has finished simmering. Next, we're going to be back with our final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. Now we're going to plate up our meal. Okay, here's our fried chicken, our biscuits, and now our old-fashioned skillet corn that I remember our mother cooking. Y'all, this dish brings back so many memories. Like I said, if you love the corn nuggets, this reminds you so much of corn nuggets. Okay, y'all, there you have it. Our old-fashioned skillet corn. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Be safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!